plan on doing this since February. So let's see how this plays out. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright, let's get this out of the way.
Don't keep your eggs in one basket. Always have a basket. Shut the fuck up, no one cares.
I am tired of hearing YouTube is this and YouTube is that and YouTube is this and YouTube is that and YouTube is this and YouTube is that and YouTube is this and YouTube basket. YouTube basket. Okay, enough of it. And maybe it's a slow process. Some things
Cannot be cut cold turkey.
This video is a notice to all clawers. Attention, all clawers.
To be honest, I feel betrayed, even though I really should not have.
But that was a very long time ago.
Do give your ID to this video sharing platform. My 2 cents is so.
Expect a 5-day through Friday.
And yes, I'm recording on my bed. I'll let you all know when I get bed. So. Again, do not sell your own soul to YouTube. You can go be a Rumble, a TikTok, an Odyssey, a Twitch,
None of us was a saint.
okay, enough of the drama. Glomler.
Hello? What I'm gonna be doing is showing you how to do pie.
On its initial YouTube debut, got bad reviews. No, Vox, the internet hated it. They hated it and made his own shitty TV version years later.
If you want something done right, you ought to do it yourself.
We should not let our content big shit.
No, bad words.
Face.
I think it is fair to say that the face is meant to represent a count.
I'm recording on my basket because Frank, what you have, but YouTube, you made me. I have this everything
Off my face.
but it's been preoccupied in my crafting, and I really want for this to be the case. There's a reason why I made GK6 chasing after me, you know what I mean? Because you can't escape it now, can you? No. It's more like a looming threat. No matter where you go, there's always something to fight over. There's always something to be picky of. Something imperfect. If you fall out of line, you know what to do. There's no peace for any of us. Nor is there.
Shut the fuck up, no one cares.
I have this shit on my face.
Oh, that's real nice.
Yeah, that's like a do shoot to. Okay, I really can't say it. Okay, bye.